Video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how the drama activities are integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is B1 level, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 80 minutes, and the topic is living in the future. Warm-up. An empty seat to your left. Everybody is sitting in a circle with one person standing in the center. There is one empty seat. The person sitting on the right of the empty seat touches the chair with their left hand, calls out a name. When a name has been called out, the seat is reserved. The person who has been called out goes to sit on the empty seat. The person in the center is waiting for a seat to be empty and tries to sit down before the chair has been touched and the name called out. The goal for the person in the center is to sit down on the empty seat while everyone else tries to stop them. Activity 1. Watching the video. Have the students watch a YouTube video so they get a general idea about the topic. Ask them to make predictions about the content of the video. If the answers are satisfying, distribute some handouts. Ask the students some questions about their predictions and listen to their answers. Activity 2. Trip to the future. Gather all the students around you and form a circle. Tell them they will take a trip to 60 years in the future from the present moment, and that they will do it by riding a time machine. Before getting into the time machine, ask them to make predictions about what they might expect in 2062. Get in the time machine and go to the year 2062. Tell them they are now in the year 2062 and the world is a different place. Show pictures related to these topics. Activity 3. Presenting the ideas. Ask each group to create an activity on the topic shown in the last activity. Give enough time to students for the activity. Ask each group to present their ideas.